Believe it or not, we've got some stormy weather headed for us right at this hour. As a matter of fact, we are under a severe thunderstorm watch here. These areas right there, which are over San Antonio, are the ones where there are severe thunderstorms occurring even as we speak. And all this area in red is under a tornado watch. Now, that watch is likely to dissipate at about midnight. So the tornado threat is dropping. Then it becomes severe thunderstorms as it starts moving down into our area. And you can see how pretty much all of us here in the Crossroads are included in this. So once again, here's Victoria. We're under that watch. The stormy weather is right along the I-35 corridor right there, and it's moving out of San Antonio. So those of you in Carson City, those of you in Gonzales, you're going to be first as this arrives probably by midnight. And by 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, it should be right here in downtown Victoria. So stormy weather will be with us over the overnight time period. Here's the activity. There's the heaviest storm right about there. And you can see how it's basically going in this direction. So that's the path of it. But all that complex is moving to the southeast. Now, it's had dropped 2 to 4 inches of rain. There's been quite a bit of hail in San Antonio and then out west. And earlier in the afternoon, we had a tornado up in Menard, but that tornado threat seems to be decreasing at this hour. And what we were waiting basically is for the rain to arrive here. Will it have any hail? It will likely have some hail, but let me put it to you this way. It's beginning to warm up as it gets closer to the coast. So let's just say the hail threat is slowly decreasing. It's not going to be baseball stuff like they saw up there earlier, but we may have some marble-sized hail around the area overnight. Now, this will all occur between probably midnight and 4 in the morning, and then after that, it's going to clear up. Here's San Antonio. You can see the heaviest hail at this moment is occurring up here in the Helotes area. Let's take a look at how much rain they've had. Here's how much rain they've had in the last 6 hours, and you can see a solid 3 to 4 inches already up here. So it's a gully washer for sure. It's coming down the Guadalupe River Valley, which is great. It's for the river, but it's going to be a stormy night, and we all need to be ready for this. If you have anything sensitive, that you left outside, make sure you roll up the windows of the car. And if you can have a garage, well, great. That will prevent any kind of hail problem. Now, here's what we expect to go onward into the evening. So there's a storm complex. We roll forward, and you can see how it comes right down through our area. 2 o'clock in the morning, right on top of us, okay? By 4 o'clock in the morning, it starts to pull out of here, but there will be some stormy weather until maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. And then after that, we do get a little bit of a clearing, so the day will be okay. Pardon me, the overnight time period will be a problem. But we go forward and into your Wednesday, you will see how we have another complex of storms, this one firing over the mountains of northern Mexico, that will drift over our area as well. Now, it's got a little bit of a break here, but you can pretty well assume there's going to be enough instability around here to see some sort of thunder shower activity. That's Tuesday and Wednesday that we're going to have some stormy stuff. So overnight is the first wave that's coming through. So stormy weather, and then clearing up by noon tomorrow. You'll actually see a little sun. Your high temperature will be upper 80s. In Cuero, you'll get up into the upper 80s, but most of the stormy stuff will be early in the morning. Now, here's why we have alert days up. Tomorrow or tonight is that rain, and then more on Wednesday and possibly Thursday and Friday. So all of a sudden, we're back into the severe weather business, and we're certainly going to be tracking it for you right here all night long. Join us on, let's see, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. If you scan that, you can put Crossroads